Good morning, traders. Happy hump day. We got a lot of options out there today. There's a lot of volume, kind of spread over a lot of stocks. We got IGC, which today might be having its first red day. I know shorts have been anticipating this day. We'll see if it happens, or we'll see if they get squeezed on out again. VTVT and MVCN are my other watches right out of the gate. VTVT yesterday followed this trend line rather perfectly. And what I'm looking for is just a little sell-off back down to this trend line and around 250 because half dollar serves as really nice support. Next, NVCN broke upwards of $3 right now, and that one's trying to move on up. This one I might be looking for a buy if this one dips back down near around $3. We got about a minute and a half until the market opens. Those are the three stocks I'm watching right out of the gate. Other than that, I'll be keeping my eyes on the high day momentum scanner. Green the last 10 out of 12 days. Feel like I'm getting a little overextended. My RSI, I'm a little overbought. I'm about at 80 or 90. So I'm going to let the opportunities come to me just like we did yesterday. Try to be buying the dips and selling the rips just because we got good volume. We got good buyers. We got a good amount of buying volume out there. So support is holding up really well. People are actually buying at support, popping up into resistance and be selling there. Market's going to open up in 15 seconds here. Everything's up at resistance right now, and IGC is falling. IGC falling, VTVT breaking, NVCN trying to break as well. I'm not going to be buying the break of resistance. I'm looking to buy the dip, sell the rip. That's what I'm looking for today. Just the same thing we did yesterday. NVCN, I'll be a buyer if this one comes back down, maybe near 310-ish, 313. Okay, and I'm in this at 303. Okay, and I'll take NVCN right there at 315 and at 303 out at 315. Just like that. Buying the dips on the rip, guys. Ooh, look at that. NVCN, of course, just like yesterday, ends up being a much better play than even I anticipated. There was only one thing I could predict, and that was a little bounce, off of the $3 whole dollar area. Whether that was going to sustain itself, like we said yesterday, I'm not sure. And it hit 335 again, resistance here, and it's still struggling as well. It could start just consolidating around these areas. I got in at a great price on this pullback here at 303. 303. Same thing as yesterday, guys. Buying that lower shadow all the way down to support and buying it on up. Don't experience FOMO and get in at the top. Now, you guys can trade this probably much better than I can because I don't hold these things very long. I get in, I get out. This one is rocking and rolling, guys. Is this going to be the next IGC? Would like to see VTVT come down a little bit more. Yeah, VTVT is up more than 350% from yesterday. Actually opened yesterday around like 79 cents. Of course, now we're at 350, so it makes that a little bit more iffy, buying the dip on this. But there's really good buying volume here. And so, of course, there is going to be dips. VTVT is still going, baby. This one is still going. I just can't buy breakouts, guys. I cannot buy a $4 breakout. Absolutely not. I have to buy pullbacks. I have to buy dips. Yeah, we need a pullback on VTVT. All right, we got 345-ish as our main support here. Would love just a really nice sell-off, guys. Really nice sell-off. Would love it. I will be scooping this up if it sells off really quick. I want to get this. I just want a nice little pullback, guys. I want a bigger pullback than what it's giving us. I want it down near like 350. See how this 9 EMA worked right here? And this support level? It's a pretty good buy right there. Sometimes I just want it as low as I can get it. Sometimes that definitely hurts me. But other times, it makes me very patient and gives me good entries. So that way my losses, when they happen, are very small. I minimize my losses because I get in at key support areas. And if it cracks that, I'm out. When a trend line in a stock is extended to this degree, from 290 all the way up to 390, and from 79 cents yesterday, if this were to crack the trend line here, it's going to drop pretty hard. And that's what I'm looking for to scoop it up, to buy it. So if this one cracks this trend line, drops down to 350, that's what I'm looking for. I can't buy at the top, guys. I've been burnt way too many times buying break of whole dollars and resistance areas, and then it be a fake out, and then drop on down really quick. Now I'm watching VTVT. This one could absolutely break $4, guys, but I'm not going to be upset if it goes on without me. That, you know, if that ship sails, I'll sit on the ocean and just watch it go. I mean, I know you guys recognize my flaws seeing me trade every day. I'm very good. I'm very patient, very good with my entries. But as far as where I take my profits, it's always early. It's always early. That's where I struggle. Ahoy, matey. This ship has set sail. FOMO is working out right now for a lot of you guys. It's the wrong lesson to learn. On this stock, it's going to be very profitable. But at the same time, I'm at a loss for words, guys. This is halted. I don't even know what to say. I mean, I said I would let this one set sail without me, and this one's a little frustrating because I was feeling an entry right here at 385. Oh God, painful. I'm happy for you guys out there that made money on this, but just know if you were chasing it, as good as it feels today, that's not going to lead you to consistency as a trader. You got to be disciplined. It's frustrating when the market's hot like this and I'm not taking advantage of it because I'm not used to this type of volume. Whoa, we just opened up really low. How did we open up low like that? It's a little scary, to be honest. Can it please have its first red candle? Please. Alright, I'm in this at 479. Just taking it right there, guys. Very small. Just getting scared out a little bit. Am I happy with that? Not really. Not really. I mean, it's 24 more bucks than I had. But the important thing is the setup. It's trading the setup. I traded it good. You know, just no size. The reason I had this marked off here, though, is if we look at the chart, 3-year chart, see the support here? Once, twice, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, you know, all throughout here too, and here as well. That was going to be good support. Well, guys, I think I'm going to take my little profit and go. Get a little frustrated looking at this stock. You know, I could have done a million times better, but at the same time, you know, I traded some good setups, and that's what's important. Profits, the big profits, will come later down the road. Just focusing on trading the setups, finding consistency, and then everything else after that will follow. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something from the video. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. See you tomorrow.